Here at home, Dublin's MetroLink, the Cork Area Commuter Rail Programme and the Galway Ring Road are among projects set to be fast-tracked under new legislation. The government has announced a list of projects to be covered by new critical infrastructure planning laws.
This is St Stephen's Green today, and this is what it might look like in the next decade when a new metro station is added. Huge delays getting infrastructure like this built has seen the government speed up authorisation for significant projects. On the list is Dublin's MetroLink, the Cork Area Commuter Rail Programme and the Galway City Ring Road. Also, a major water supply project for the East and the Midlands, the Greater Dublin Drainage Scheme and a wastewater plant for Limerick. And on the list is the North-South Energy Interconnector and electricity projects in Money Point and Letterkenny. So the legislation that the government is using effectively mandates authorising bodies such as the Planning Board on Commission Planola and the Environmental Protection Agency to work in parallel when they're giving the green light to a project, and also to use accelerated timelines. But controversially, it also disapplies some climate legislation to these large infrastructural projects, and that has been criticised by environmental groups.
Well, we know that Section 15 of the Climate Act has been used and weaponised by certain individuals who want to stop projects. And government, for example, on the Galway City Ring Road wants to deliver that project and wants to accelerate it.
On a day like today, when we're seeing wildfires spreading around Europe and including in Ireland, it's very ironic that this is the day the Minister announces this. He seems to be saying he's happy to add fuel to that fire.
What we need to see from government now is not just big announcements. What we need from government is action.
In the autumn, the government will allow some projects circumvent parts of the planning process, and that's likely to be controversial too. David Murphy, RTÉ News.